victorious. Chapter 4. The Triumph of the Lamb, the Second Coming and Divine Victory. The pinnacle of prophecy is the return of the King. The Lamb who was slain stands victorious. This is not an abstract hope. It is the unfolding of justice, mercy, and restoration. When the Son returns, every deception falters, and the voices of the faithful rise together in praise. The weapons of the enemy break, the conspiracies dissolve. Justice flows like a river. Mercy is poured out upon the contrite. The second coming ushers in judgment and grace, separating falsehood from truth, refining gold through the furnace. For those who have chosen Christ, this moment is not to be feared but embraced. A restoration of what was lost and the inauguration of a righteous reign. Heaven and earth will witness the establishment of the kingdom of God in visible, unassailable power.